Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy an asset step by step. Start by defining your budget, asset class, and timeline so search and decisions stay focused. Then gather documents like ID, proof of funds, and any financing pre-approval. Learn to evaluate listings, compare comparable sales, and calculate total costs including fees and taxes. Finally, prepare an offer, negotiate terms, and schedule inspections and closing steps with trusted advisors. In this segment, I will explain how to find the best assets to buy. Start with tailored searches on marketplaces and alerts for new listings. Cross-check broker feeds and local contacts for off-market deals and motivated sellers. Visit properties or inspect items in person and take photos and notes for comparison. Track potential assets in a spreadsheet with price, condition, and expected ROI to prioritize the best opportunities. In this section, I will help you make a smart, competitive offer for an asset. Prepare numbers, purchase price, estimated repairs, closing costs, and desired margin. Include contingencies like inspection and financing to protect yourself. Write a concise offer that states price, deposit, and closing timeline, and be ready to counteroffer. Keep communication clear and courteous to increase the chance of acceptance while protecting your interests.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.